So welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video on me just washing my daughter's hair. This is kind of our curly hair routine. So right now I'm just taking apart her hair like section by section because she did have single braids and it got really messy and dirty. So the shampoo I'm using is a Cantu kid shampoo. But I'm going to start by slowly separating each section, even though she's doing opposite of what I'm doing. But I was just taking section by section and gently running the shampoo throughout the whole hair. So I'm just dragging it to the ends, not too rough. I'm doing this very gently, but it looks like I'm being very rough. So each section I'm trying to get all the dirt and stuff out. And this little visor I got from Amazon is supposed to help keep the water out of the baby's eyes. So I'm trying to get it all together, and as I'm trying to shampoo her hair, she's washing it out. Perfect. And I'm trying to scrub her roots, try to get all in there. She did have single braids in, so like a lot of lint and stuff was in her roots. So I'm just trying to get it all out. So I'm just trying to get to the back and shampoo the rest of the hair. And we rinsed it out and sit back. And this is a conditioner that I use. I really like this. It smells really good. So now I'm putting the conditioner in, and I'm just gonna put that all over her hair. She does have a lot of hair, so I'm going in with some more. I'm gonna start separating the hair and getting it into her roots. And with this brush, I'm not sure if you've seen it before. It's like going viral all over Instagram. It's an easy detangler. It's a bunch of rows of like little combs that separate and they fan out. It's really cool because it actually is very helpful and it doesn't hurt her at all. It looks like I'm being rough, but the combs separate and they fan out. So it gets at each section piece by piece. So I'm just doing the back now. And taking my time just so it doesn't hurt her, and it combs out all the curls with the conditioner in it. And this is about 5 minutes later, and I'm rinsing out all the conditioner. She's covering her eyes so the water doesn't get in her eyes. And I'm just rinsing it out some more, making sure I got everything out. And now this is the end, and this is what I use to just put in her hair to help the curls. I'm gonna separate it and then put it all over her hair. It helps the curls stay fresh and not dry, so I'm just moisturizing her whole hair. She had the blanket because she was cold after the bath. So now I'm just taking a super wide tooth comb and I am gonna section it and detangle it. This does take a while, so I'm just gonna speed this part up. And obviously she was not staying still, so this is why it looks like this. And just combing it all out with the product in it to evenly distribute it so it's all over her hair. And she was over me at this point, so I just put it all in a ponytail. And then I'm gonna leave it like this, and then once it dries, she has a nice cute little poof. Thank you guys so much for watching.